Hi everyone. Harley-Davidson has just made a splash with its latest releases, the new additions to the highly sought-after Harley-Davidson Icons Motorcycle Collection and the limited edition Enthusiast Motorcycle Collection, Harley-Davidson HYDRA-GLIDE REVIVAL. Imagine this, top-tier factory custom paint and graphics that put Michelangelo to shame, and they're up for grabs now at your nearest authorized Harley-Davidson dealership. Let's start with the Harley-Davidson Icons Motorcycle Collection, an annual extravaganza where each model, uniquely numbered and produced only once. This year's star? The 2024 Hydra-Glide Revival, the fourth installment in this legendary series, commemorating the 75th anniversary of the iconic Hydra-Glide telescopic front suspension. It's a nod to the past, inspired by the upcoming film The Bikeriders, slated to hit theaters on June 21, 2024. Get ready to embark on a journey through history, folks. Once upon a time, Hydra-Glide-equipped models ruled the highways, allowing Americans to cruise the country in style on those gleaming new interstate highways. And now, the 2024 Hydra-Glide Revival model is bringing back that vintage vibe with custom Redline Red paint, 50s-inspired chrome accents, and charming details like fringed saddlebags exuding retro cool. But it's not all about aesthetics, this beast boasts serious power under the hood. With a counterbalanced Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin engine, it feels like riding a rocket disguised as a motorcycle. And for those craving speed, it's equipped with all the performance enhancements you could dream of. And let's not overlook the features: adjustable monoshock rear suspension, LED lighting illuminating even the darkest roads, and ABS ensuring safety when things get a bit wild. But here's the catch: there are only 1,750 of these beauties hitting the streets, so if you want to be part of motorcycle history, you better act fast. With prices starting at $24,999, it's like getting a masterpiece for the price of a paint-by-numbers kit. So, what are you waiting for? Head to your local dealer and claim your slice of motorcycle paradise before it's gone. Because trust us, these gems will vanish faster than you can say Harley-Davidson. Thanks for watching.